I never thought I would see this. Stay put together. Ay, hindi pala stay put na tawag ko sa'yo. Jealous guy. Sleep na. Sa'yo ang kakantay ko. Jealous guy. Ano ba yun? Di ba meron yun, mahal? We're the same again. And now for me to understand. Yan nga hahantayin ko, mahal, okay? This song is lovingly dedicated to my pinakamamahal na asawa na nagsaselos po sa akin. Dahil ako na ang first love ng mama niya. Ako na ang first love, hindi na siya. Dreaming of the past, and my heart was beating fast. Where I began to lose control. Hindi na daw siya matutulog. I began to lose control. Bantayan niya kasi kala niya DJ ako. I didn't mean to hurt you. Mahal, I didn't mean to hurt you. Sorry that I made you cry. I didn't want to hurt you. You're just a jealous guy. Insecure. Mama might not love you anymore. Shivering inside.
Matutulog na ako.
You was shivering inside. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry that I made you cry.
Hindi naman ako umiyak.
Okay. I didn't mean to hurt you. You're just a jealous guy. Ang ako ay nagsaselos sa akin. Yay!
Bubot kita.
Hindi mo mabubot, nag-sign out na ako. Mo naman ako sa tabi mo lang ginagawa ko. To hurt you.
Tulog na ako, mahal.
I'm sorry that I made you jealous. Akala ko ba hindi ka matutulog?
Tulog ako.
I didn't want to hurt.
Pasok pa bukas.
After this song. Okay?
Okay. I love you.
You're just a jealous guy. I love you more. To catch your eyes. Truth you were trying to hide. I was swallowing. Tutok na naman yan. I was swallowing my pain. Pati mo sumagot ng oo eh.
Weh.
I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry that
I made you cry.
jealous.
Yeah, baby.
I didn't want to hurt you.
Check.
Yeah, mahal ko.
Yeah ba?
You're just a jealous guy.
Talagang dinidin yung jealous guy.
You're just a jealous guy.
Weh.
Number love ni Mama, hindi na. Wala ka pa. I love you,
I love you more. Sabay na.
Tutulog na tayo.
Sabay na tulog.
Tulog na nga.
Ayan.
Mm.
Mwah. Mwah.
I love you.
I love you more.
Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams too.
Dream me.
I love you.
I love you more.
I hate you.
I hate you not.
I love you.
You hate me, ah?
No, I said I wanna
No,
marry you.
just said you hate me.
Yeah, what? I hate you
Yeah, why you hate me? Why did you hate me?
because I feel
Because you're
hot.
jealous?
I
You're
feel
jealous?
hot. No, I'm hot now. That's why I hate you.
Hindi, wala ka na sa hulog. Dudulas. Saan nahuhuli ang isda sa bibig na madulahan? Siya po ay galit sa akin. Siya ay
My
nagsisilip
heart.
niya. Siya ay hate me na ngayon.
Stop it.
Sabi, I hate you.
Mahal,
Hindi
please.
pala, ha?
I'll get some sleep.
Fine.
No, I don't hate you.
Okay? You
I
hate
love
me
you.
still, but I love you still. You hate me so much, and I love you so much. Okay?
No, I'll never hate you, Mahal, because I love you. You know that.
You just said you hate me. I
No,
hear
I'm
it.
not. Of course.
Then who said that?
What?
Is there any ghost in there?
No.
Ha? Ganda na mukha ko. Kumusta na pala mukha mo ng driver rin?
Ano? Pero okay naman na siya. Hindi na siya nagsusugat. Hindi kasi actually, nag-dry screen siya, tapos parang kinamot ko. Kasi gusto kong tanggalin yung mga dry. Tapos natanggal naman siya, kaya lang kinabukasan pala, nagkaroon siya ng parang rashes.
Okay. Okay
Tas-
na yan.
Parang nakayod ng kuko ko. Tapos humapdi na siya. Actually, my face is so sensitive, you know.
Trimot na ako, oh. Driver rin. Lotion nga. Kanyang lotion, wala din eh.
Sabi nga nila, Mahal, ano eh, baby face daw ako.
We,
Oo.
ka na naman. Sino
Hindi,
may sabi?
hindi raw, yung mukha ko daw, hindi raw dapat nga 25 anyos.
Kapag ka na ng 24 mo.
Pa daw mga 19 pa lang.
Eh, at least ako si Nene. O, 14. Buhay pa lang bawi.
Hindi, kung titignan daw ako, baka naman daw ako, wag lang tignan yung buhok.
Salot. Sino nagsabi? Si Mama.
Hindi.
Alam ko, Mami.
Yung mga kapatid ko, sina Irene, nakita mo sina Irene, laging sinasabi panot na daw ako. Nakakainis yung mga yun eh.
Oo nga, panot ka na daw. Di, panot. Ako yung PM niya, ano ah. Nung inulit ko yung Facebook mo, sa, sa Pin6, ni Ben.
Oh,
Sabi ako, Bro, buhay ka pa pala. Tapos sabi, bakit? Tapos may nagtanong, bakit patay na ba? Oo, akala ko patay na yan. Tapos sumagot lang ako, sabi ko lang, ganun lang. Sign out lang ako.
nag-usap kami kanina kasi kawawa naman si Maan. Huwag natin
Bakit?
pag-usapan si Maan kasi naka-YouTube to eh. Upload ko na to mamaya. I love you.
I love you more.
Tama na kasi hindi magkasya sa YouTube. Stop ko na.
Tanggalin mo yung may sinabi ka, tanggalin mo yung may sinabi tayo, Ma.